I'd like to share with you guys a new tool that I'm working on. The goal of this is to get recordings from Zoom that I created. I don't know if you guys are familiar with using Zoom as a presentation a tool as a tool to create presentations, but it actually works quite well. You just start a meeting with yourself on Zoom, and then you record into the cloud. And when you record into the cloud, you can access those videos after a while. I mean, what I'm doing here is I'm using the Zoom API to access them, and then you can just download these videos from Zoom. When you download the videos, this is the tool I'm working on. So this is the Zoom recordings. The first step is that it goes into the Zoom homepage or Zoom website. It gets a list of the Zoom recordings that you recorded into the cloud. And that's important. You have to record in the cloud for this to work. It also automatically transcribes your video into text, into very fragmented text, which is not very usable in its original form. So what this tool does is it takes these many fragmented sentences, and it creates a nice narration out of it. So what you can do is you get a list from Zoom, which looks something like I show you guys in a second. Let's say it looks something like this. It's very fragmented. So I get this list, and the tool puts this together and creates a nice narration out of it. It extracts titles for each of these blocks of each of these topics. So essentially creates chapters with chapter titles. So let me just go back to where I was here. So that's Chrome. And these are the options for each of the projects that I created from my Zoom recordings. I can refine the script. The refining of the script will do that kind of editing. So it creates chapters and chapter titles, and it creates a title for the entire thing. And then I have another function, which is generate modified video. What that will do is it eventually essentially inserts these chapters and chapter titles into the video. So you have a nicely annotated video. It also puts in your logo if you have one. And I can just show you guys. Let's say I was playing with this one. So I already refined the script for this one. This is I automatically, or by default, I call the videos the time it was created, but then this can be renamed. Obviously, these are, for me, from my point of view, these are like project IDs or project keys. And so this is a recording I created at this time on October 10th at 12:43:09. And in this, I already refined the script, and I generated the modified video. So I can just show you guys what this looks like. So the first thing you see here is that it puts in a title at the beginning for the entire thing. Again, this was automatically extracted. I let it go.
This is gonna be a quick video. I'd like to show you.
And what happened there is that you guys can see that it inserted my logo, and it inserted a title. And as I go forward, the title will change at the appropriate places. So this is another chapter beginning. So basically, this is the initial version of the tool that it puts in the chapters, puts in the logo, and it creates a very nice narration. And then what you can do is you can use that nice narration as a script, and you'll go back and re-narrate your video and make it professional sounding. So I'm going to have more videos about this. I'm currently working on automatically editing out silences and other anomalies in the videos that you don't want when you start doing what I just did. Like, so I want to be able to automatically edit out those, and basically have a tool that makes it easier to create content, which is becoming harder and harder because we have to create a lot of content to basically get any kind of message out. And that's usually video. Thank you for listening.